This hydrangea is called Garden House Beauty, and it's a very unusual hydrangea. The sterile outer flowers sort of hang down a bit. It's this really gorgeous purpley blue colour, and like with many hydrangeas, if it's grown in an alkaline area it will be pink, and if it's grown in an acid area it will be blue. So you can see here it's fairly acid soil, and it's called Garden House Beauty, and this is the garden house. This garden's here, or the garden house, which is like near Yelverton in Devon, and I thought that's too much of a coincidence, and indeed this plant was actually bred here, which is kind of interesting. So yeah, it's really nice hydrangea. Probably that's about as high as it gets, and it just looks very unusual. It has sort of reddish leaves, which is quite unusual, and really lovely flowers with these inner ones here, which are the actual flowers, and then these sterile flowers around the edge to draw the bees in. And that is a really impressive hydrangea. There are so many different hydrangeas, and of course if you've got an alkaline soil it would be pink, and acid soil would be blue, but that's very unusual. If you're going to get a hydrangea, it's really good to have a look through all the different hydrangeas there are, because most of the really interesting ones aren't in garden centres. Garden centres usually have the mainstream stuff, so it's good to kind of look up stuff and get some really interesting, because if you're going to get a hydrangea you might as well get a really interesting one like this.